This is Mayur here. Today I will tell you what do you mean by information technology. Information technology is nothing but also known as the information system. Information system is nothing but made up of 5 parts which we are going to see. Information system consider of 5 parts, that is people, procedure, software, hardware and data. Step by steply now we will continue to see the what do you mean by its parts. Describe its part. What do you mean by people? People are known as end users, most important, most productive, or the more productive. It also make information technology work for you. Now procedures. Procedures are rules and guidelines for people to follow while using software and hardware. These are manuals written by computer specialists. Now, what do you mean by software? Software is also known as programs. Programs are the instructions that tell the computer how to process data into the form you want. It is a step-by-step instructions given to the computer. Now, software. There are two types of softwares: application software and system software. Application software consists, for example, application softwares are word processor, spreadsheet, and PowerPoint. System software consists of operating systems, utilities, device drivers, etc. Now, what do you mean by hardware? Hardware is the equipment that process the data to create information, commonly known as monitor, CD driver, printer, CPU, or scanner, etc. Now, what do you actually mean by data? Data is nothing but the information or feeding of data is nothing but the information feed by the end users or written or saved by the end users. For example, working in a word processor, typing typically it is used for the typing. Okay, that is known as the raw material. Data is raw, unprocessed facts including text, numbers, images and sounds. Worksheets, photoshops for editing photos, etc.